Today with Align, how we talk about pricing so every guest hears a calm, consistent message. Big picture. Our menu has two parts, the service itself and, if they want privacy, the VIP room add-on. The heart of it is the transition buffer. After or between services, the VIP room stays reserved. Guests can shower, soak in the bathtub, or decompress. We do a quick but thorough reset. New linen, sanitation, restock, aromatherapy. This protects hygiene and the guests' calm. It's not extra massage time, it's comfort plus cleanliness plus privacy time. How VIP room pricing works. We price the VIP room add-on using the effective VIP room time concept. This is the service duration plus the transition buffer. For most services, we add 30 minutes to the service duration. For premium packages, we add 40 minutes. On weekdays, which is from Monday to Thursday, for services up to 1 hour 50 minutes, we charge an additional 350 pesos. This is Tier 1. For services lasting 1 hour 51 minutes up to 2 hours 30 minutes, we charge 450 pesos for the use of the VIP room. This is Tier 2. Lastly, for services lasting 2 hours 31 minutes and above, we charge a rate of 550 pesos for the VIP room. This is Tier 3. On weekends, that is from Friday to Sunday, including holidays, we charge an additional 50 pesos to the same tier. What ifs? Extends into the next tier, move the VIP add-on up one tier, rescheduled from weekday to weekend/holiday, plus 50 pesos. No VIP room, no add-on. Practice the talk track. 30 seconds. Ma'am or sir, our VIP room has a small add-on based on the total VIP room time we reserve for you, including a quick hygiene reset. For your service of duration, that totals effective minutes. So the VIP add-on is 350 pesos or 450 pesos or 550 pesos on weekdays. And additional 50 pesos on weekends and holidays. Your total with the VIP room is amount. Would you like the VIP room? Role play. Pair up, switch roles. Aim for warm tone, clear math, and a simple choice. Would you like the VIP room? Questions and short answers. Is the buffer extra massage time? No. It's reserved room time for hygiene, comfort, and privacy. Why plus 50 pesos on weekends or holidays? Higher demand. We protect a quiet, clean experience. What if I finish early? The room remains yours during the buffer. Feel free to shower or rest. Communicate calmly and consistently.